What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, I'd appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel. Helps it grow. If you enjoyed today's video, I also appreciate if you guys smash the like button for me. To get started today, we are covering Healthier Choices Management Corp, HCMC. We are currently sitting at 0.0016. Lots of people expected this to take off not too long ago, but it looks like we are in this thing for the long term. Let me know below who is in HCMC still and who is planning on holding this thing for the long term. When I'm saying long term, I'm talking maybe a year or two. That's my game plan. We are sitting at 0.0016. We saw the high hit 0.0065, and since it's hit that, we saw a huge just drop in price week after week. Now, I want to quickly cover financials of HCMC. We saw last year, 2020, they're down about 1.5 million in sales, but in my opinion, that was due to COVID having a huge impact on HCMC. And for the last 3 months of the year, they were pretty close on how they did compared to 2019. Again, I based that off of COVID and how that had a huge impact on most companies out there. News. So, big news, HCMC, Philip Morris file a joint motion for an extension. This can mean several things, obviously. It says they respectfully submit this joint motion for an extension of time for Healthier Choices to file its response to defendant's motion to dismiss under Fed, and for an extension of time for defendants to file their reply. Is this good news? Based off speculation, it could be. And I'll get to more on that later on in the video. But also, if you are interested in following closely what happens when news comes out, you can check out Pace Monitor. It'll tell you here date by date of what takes place. So as you guys see, Wednesday, March 10th, we did see the motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim. Motion for extension took place March 10th, and so they have to reply by April 16th, as you see here below, and it was signed off by Judge Timothy C. Batson on March 10th. So again, check this site out if you're interested following this case closely, like I am. I know a lot of you guys are in this thing pretty heavy and are hoping for big gains in the near future, but I can assure you it will take a while before we see something pop off. Also, we are starting to see HCMC pop up in more places. Okay, as you guys can see here, HCMC patent infringement lawsuit gained serious traction. This is good news. Okay, we want this thing to be seen. We want it to be known. I know it'll take a lot of people to buy up this HCMC before the price to really take a huge move, but I think that there's still hope for it to get back up to 0.0065 where it was a month ago. And also, more again, back to the motion to dismiss for failure claim. This case could take a year or 2 years depending on how patient you guys can be, and depending on what happens between HCMC and Philip Morris. Do they want to do a settlement? How long will that take? To discuss numbers, how much Philip Morris wants to pay HCMC. I found a good post right here. Credit to C Captain Dot. Really good analysis here. I'm not gonna read the whole thing for you guys, but some key points. Okay, March 15th. That is today. Today held in private between lead counsel for all parties. It was a meet and conference. The parties are required to confer in person in an effort to settle the case, discuss discovery, limit issues, and discuss other matters. Okay. Next, we have Philip Morris's reply to HCMC's opposition, March 25th. Absent an extension of time, PM will have the opportunity to reply to HCMC's opposition brief regarding the MTD. Okay. 4. We have a joint preliminary report and discovery plan, April 12th. Okay, like I said before, this thing can go until September, October, into next year. All right, this thing will require lots of patience from people. And again, I'm in this thing long term. I'm holding it. It's sitting in my account. I don't look at it until I see I won't look at it until I see some major news, and then when I look at it, if I see dips, I will continue to buy on the dips because I'm confident in HCMC. This is not financial advice, by the way. All right. Last, May 12th, HCMC is due to serve contentions showing infringement, where HCMC will identify. These are usually exchanged between the parties and not made public or filed publicly with sensitive information redacted. Each claim of each patent in suit that is allegedly infringed by each opposing party, B, separately for each asserted claim, each accused apparatus, method, composition, or other instrumentally of each accused party of which the claiming party is aware. That may seem very, very confusing, but pretty much it's going to be a back and forth on where the sensitive information really happened and where the infringement took place, right? And this information will be private. It will not come out to the public. And this will happen in May 12th, okay? So next few months, very critical, but I do not think we'll see a huge change in price, okay? HCMC, if you see on StockTwits, lots of people are very, very bullish on HCMC. We are now almost at 80,000 followers, watchers on HCMC on StockTwits. Before it was around 69, 68, 70, 71, and now you see people who are very, very bullish on HCMC, okay? So that's good news. That's good news. That's good news if you're in HCMC right now. It's good news because it's starting to gain more attention, okay? Next, I wanted to point this out again. Credit to TTrader1976. He posted last Tuesday and today, and this was published March 9th. There was 2.9 billion shares that have been bought through block trades, mostly after hours. Now, you may seem confused. How are they buying HCMC during after hours? Well, if you're a big guy who has lots of money, lots of billions of dollars, you're able to buy HCMC after hours. That's one of the pros of having lots of freaking money. All right. Also, big news. We finally have a Twitter account for HCMC. And what do you see here? They had a nice, pretty cool deal. Buy a Q unit, get a free 5-pack of Q cups. Pretty cool. Okay. I am hoping they start to be more active on Twitter. Okay, to gain more attention towards HCMC. So, again, overall prediction. You will see speculation every day on HCMC. You'll see people who are saying it's trash. People who are saying this is fantastic. It's going to make you rich. My personal opinion, 5, 10 cents max. Can we see $1? Sure, but not anytime soon. That would have to be a reverse split happen. Stock buyback happen to take place. All of that, lots of things would have to happen for HCMC to even get close to $1, to even get to 50 cents. So listen, realistically, I'm hoping for 10, 15 cents. Fantastic. Sell 50% there, keep the other half when if it hits $1 long term. But again, hold for a year, couple of years. You may see big gains, but only play with money you can afford on losing. That's how you guys should approach these kind of really crazy OTCs. They're dirt cheap, can make you thousands of dollars, can pretty much make you lose all your money. So make sure you guys keep that approach and make sure you are being a fundamental investor as well. Again, if you're new to my channel, I'd appreciate you guys subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed today's video, I'd appreciate you guys smash the like button for me. Let me know below who's still holding HCMC and if you guys will continue to buy more. I will see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.